we're going to learn how to get Unity Hub up and running. So this is if your computer doesn't already have Unity on it. If you're using a school computer, um, one that was sort of specifically set up for this camp, you're not going to need to do this. But if you're interested and want to play around with this stuff at home, this is what you'll have to do. So the easiest way to do it is just to Google Unity Hub. And you'll see I already got it there a few times. And you want to download. Now, before you sort of go too far, you are going to need to register. So we'll just download. And we'll do download Unity Hub. And you'll see I got a little setup there. We'll just toss it on my desktop for now. And it's a pretty quick download. While you're here, you may want to log in. So you may want to create an account. If you go here, you can do create a Unity ID. And you'll see mine's already there. Let me just sign out. And you'll see right here, please create one. And it's just the usual. You'll do an email, you do a password, you do your name, you'll create an ID, it'll send you an email. You gotta click on the email and confirm. So that's pretty straightforward to do for the first time. Now, I'm going to leave myself logged out here, and I'm just going to go ahead and install Unity Hub. Now, I already have it installed, so I'm probably going to get a little error message, or a little message saying I have it installed. But for you, you'll take wherever you downloaded that, and you'll hit yes, and then you'll go ahead and just let it install. Obviously, you won't get that message that it's running. It's pretty much always running in the background on my computer. Now, hopefully what we'll see is a sort of fresh Unity Hub here without me logged in. And unfortunately logged me in, so I'm going to log out. And you probably will not see anything here. So it automatically knows that I have a code that's sitting right here, a Unity project that's sitting right here. So it's just sort of telling me, hey, it's hanging out here. You'll see pretty much nothing. Now what you're going to need to do is sign in. So again, if you haven't already created an account, you can go ahead and create an account here. You'll see there's also a manage licenses. We'll get to that in a sec. But go ahead and sign in. And it does bring you to the website. And then, weirdly enough, it brings you back to the hub. And then you should see an icon right here. Now, if you look at manage licenses, it may tell you you do not have a license. The way it works is here you will add a license, and if you click on get free personal license, that'll bring you to a little location you can get a personal license. Now, I have different licenses, so mine looked a little different. You do not need any fancy licenses. The license is completely free. Just go ahead and do a personal license on your own. It will not really make any difference for what we're going to use it. If you are eventually going to make money on this, then you do need a little fancier license, or at least a lot of money. I think you can make $100,000 just on a personal license. Okay, the next thing you're going to have is installs. So you're going to need to install a version of Unity. Now you'll see I have two versions installed right here. You'll see nothing. So what you're going to do is go up to the corner and do install editor. And right here, you're going to pick the 2021 version and click install. And then you'll see right here, Visual Studio says already installed. You'll see a little click right there and make sure that's installed. And you notice I don't have anything else installed except for the documentation. In fact, I usually don't even install that. You can, I mean, it's not going to hurt for now. So you can select some things here. One thing you might want to tinker with at home is this WebGL build support. This is going to allow you to build a web application, so you can take your game, you can put it on the web. The problem with this is it takes a long time to actually create. It'll take a good half hour or so of class to actually create it, so it doesn't really work so well for a short camp like this if they have to keep exporting projects over and over again. So click install, and then it's going to take a while. You'll see a little progress bar, and then you'll have Unity installed. Once that's installed, so that will enable the actual Unity application. So picture we have two different things here. We have a hub that essentially controls what versions of Unity we take care of. That's where we're going to sort of log in, and then we have different versions of Unity. Now, different projects do need different versions, but for us, everything we're doing should run perfectly fine in 2021. So you're only going to need one version of Unity. Once that's good, then you're ready to go ahead and start projects.